to my channel. Today we are again going to read chapter 1, crop production and nutrition. Okay, so guys, in our before videos, in basically in part 1 and part 2, we all read about agricultural practices, right? We had crop, kharif crops, rabi crops, chota crops, and agricultural practices. Okay, what are the agricultural practices? Preparation of soil, right? We studied about preparation of soil, agricultural implements, plow and cultivator, right? Then we read out sowing the film of seeds, and the traditional tool is the funnel method, and the modern tool is seed drill method, right? Yes or no? Yes, yes. So modern method was seed drill method, and for sowing seeds we can classify healthy seeds and unhealthy seeds. Not basically unhealthy, but good quality seeds. Okay, so good quality seeds with good quality seeds, right? Yes, yes. So in we can classify good quality seeds and damaged seeds, or basically healthy or unhealthy seeds, right? Tell me down in the comment section that what is the method. If you have seen my part 2 of chapter 1 crop management, then you should know the answer that how can we classify good quality seeds to bad quality seeds, or damaged seeds, or unhealthy seeds to healthy seeds, right? Tell me in the comment section the top 5 methods. Tell in my YouTube channel. Okay guys, seed drill method, right? So now we have to start from this, adding manure and fertilizers from here. Okay, so let's start. The substances which are added to the soil form of nutrients. So this is basically, they are not proper nutrients, but they are kind of like all the nutrients are given to the soil. Healthy growth of plants are called manure and fertilizers. So manure and fertilizers are basically those who like basically are those who just who just what can I say, manure and fertilizers are those who make the soil fertile and give nutrients to the soil. Okay, okay guys, yeah. So I shall start now from here, from soil supplies minerals, from soil supplies mineral nutrients to the etc etc. We will read it now. Yeah, soil supplies minerals, nutrients. So what are mineral and nutrients? Mineral and nutrients are basically used to grow healthy, healthy seeds, healthy. Sorry guys, healthy crops. Okay, so minerals and nutrients to the crop plant. These nutrients are essential for the growth of plants. So basically, why are these minerals? As I told you, for the growth of plants. In certain areas, like there are specific areas like desert areas, I will just classify. This is desert. Then we have the ocean side. Then we have this black soil side, which is basically where cotton is grown. Black soil. There are many. There are many. Okay. So certain areas farmers grow after crop in the same field. Like after the crop gets harvested, they again grow a different kind of crop or maybe the same crop. It depends on the farm. Okay, the field is never left uncultivated or fallow. So uncultivated and fallow basically means that you know when we harvest the plants, after the harvesting, like after the cutting down of plants, it is called harvesting. After harvesting, at the same point of time, the farmers sow the other seeds. So they don't give the field much time. Like they give the field only 1 to 2 days only. That is also maximum. Their minimum is 4 to 5 hours. No, imagine what happens to the nutrients. So this is a question that the nutrients are taken from the soil by the roots to the plants, right? So where does this nutrition go? This question answer I will tell you in the last video, which is the question answer video, or basically the NCERT solutions and exemplar. Okay guys, so continuous cultivation of crops make the soil poor in nutrients. So like again and again cultivation of crops without giving them a period of time to replenish replenish the nutrients in the field. They just cultivate the crop. Okay, so therefore farmers have to add manure to the fields to replenish the soil with nutrients. So if they leave the land for some time uncultivated, it will get nutrients itself, right? Like we have to do regular tilling, irrigation, these methods have to be done so that nutrients come into the soil. Okay, so if continuous cultivation of crops take place, then we have to add manure to the soil to replenish. Basically, like earlier times in our mother or father times, basically farmers used these like manures, because we have to create it home and it is free, right? Like cow dung is almost not of use. The vegetable peels and fruit peels are basically not of use. So we have to dig a pit, and then we have to keep all of them, cover it and keep it for some time. Then the manure will be formed. Okay, so this process is called manuring. So when we need to add manure to the field to replenish the nutrients in the soil, so this process is called manuring. Okay, so improper or insufficient manuring results in weak plants. So guys, if we give improper or like not proper, like if we give extra, or if we give not really extra, if we give less, if we give them extra, they will be healthy, and there will be some remaining also. Not extra, less, a little less, even a little less manure will make the plants weak. Okay, basically will make the plants weak, and if the difference is a lot, then it will make the plants very. Okay, so manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of the plant or animal waste, as I told you, right? Farmers dump plant and animal waste in pits and at open places and allow it to decompose. The decomposition is caused by some microorganism. some microorganisms, for example, worm. Wait, I will just write it to you. Just text it. Earthworm or red ants, right? Earthworm or red ant. The decomposed matter is used as organic manure because it is made up of organic substance. We do not basically, yes, we buy fruits and vegetables, then we get the fruit. But it is necessary for humans, but vegetable peels or fruit peels are basically not necessary, right? So we just throw them. Rather than throwing them, we can keep them and do manuring. Okay, so you have already learned about vermicomposting is a method we have learned in class 6. So guys, if you don't remember what is vermicomposting, or if you remember, then tell me in the comment section. Okay guys, there are two homeworks for you. One is that how can we classify good seeds and healthy seeds, good seeds and damaged seeds, and healthy seeds similarly, or you can say healthy seeds to unhealthy seeds. And second homework is define vermicomposting. Okay, is that clear? Write somewhere the homework. Okay, yes, let us go to the next page. Guys, this is an activity. You can read it. I can just tell you what are the things in this activity. Like they have said that take ABC, a beaker, three beakers ABC, and in the beaker A, like in all the three beakers, the amount of soil should be same, right? In the beaker A, add some cow dung manure. Okay, and in B, the beaker B, add urea. You should know what is urea. We have read in science in 7th and 6th class also, 6th and 7th class also. And in C, we do not need to add anything, like no fertilizer, no manure, no urea. Okay, so now like we have to pour water, and every day we have to pour water to the jar or the vessel or the beaker, you can say, and it should be a same amount. Equal water should be provided to all. Now, after at least 7 to 10 days or maximum 15 days, you have to see that which one should be, which one is fastest or bigger. Okay, so this is an example, growing seedling with manure and fertilizer. This is the two girls doing this activity and the project. The plants in all the glasses grow at the same pace. Pace means at the same speed. Okay, so which glass showed better growth of plants? Which one? In which glass was the growth faster? Homework number 3. Activity 1.2. Do at your home and then tell these answers. Guys, on a whiteboard, I will most probably, or at the end of the slide, I will most probably tell again the homework. Okay, so from there to here, mark it guys, mark it so that you can remember. And all the homework top 5 winners will be on a board. On a board means I will give a badge on my YouTube channel. I will announce their names who are the top 5 and 5 random. Okay guys, so 5 will be random, that who will give correct answer, 5 random and 5 from the top. Like for example, Arna, Gauri, Samaira, etc. were on number 1, right? Gauri was on number 2, 1, or Samaira was on number 1 or 2, etc. Okay, so fertilizers are chemicals which are rich in particular nutrients. So basically, uh, you know, fertilizer specific, like manure is for provides everything, but fertilizers has a specific. Like if the fertilizer will give urea, so it will give urea only, nothing else. Ammonium sulfate, so ammonium sulfate only. So super phosphorate, so super phosphorate only. And potash, only potash. And NPK, I know it is a mixture of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, but it is specific of these three, right? NPK. So, how are they different from manure? We are going to read this. Okay, fertilizers are produced in factories. Some examples of fertilizers are urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, potash, NPK, which is nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Okay, let's read forward. The use of fertilizers. So, the use of fertilizers has helped farmers to get better yield. Exactly. Such as wheat, paddy, and maize. But excessive use of fertilizer has made the soil less fertile. Obviously, then we to make the soil fertile, we also need to add manures, right? Fertilizers have also become a source of water pollution. Exactly, they are prepared in factories. Factories remove the dust in the water bodies, right? Therefore, in order to maintain the fertility of the soil, we have to substitute fertilizers with organic manure or leave the field uncultivated or fallow in between two crops. Like in June, if you harvest, I'm not sure if in June the crops get harvested, but I'm just thinking, example, in June, then do it in September. I'm writing the short form, okay guys, in September, so that it has July, August, and then we have September, right? Or you can do in October, so that we have 2 months. But 1 month, I guess, is obviously, fine for the crop. The use of manure improves soil texture as well as its water retaining capacity. It replenishes the soil with nutrients. Guys, one important question, that what is manure, what is fertilizer, their examples, okay, and what are the features or the characteristics of manure and difference between manure and fertilizers. What is crop production? I know these are a lot of questions. I'm going to discuss them in my question answer video, or basically you can, I am just saying it question answer video, you can say it in the NCERT solutions and exemplar. Okay, I will add these questions, you can see it over there. Okay, so another method of replenishing the soil with nutrient is crop rotation. Like if like once we grow wheat, the other time we grow leguminous plant. Like leguminous plant gives nitrogen, nitrates, and nitrites, right? Nitrogen by the rhizobium bacteria, the nitrogen in the air is converted into nitrates and nitrites, right? Which plants can take in, right? Crop rotation. This can be done by growing different crops alternatively, as I told you. Different crops alternatively, like once we grow wheat, the other time we grow leguminous plants. Okay, so earlier farmers in northern India used to grow leguminous as fodder in one season and wheat in the next season. As I told you, like once wheat, then leguminous plant, once wheat, then leguminous plant. If you don't know the meaning of leguminous plant, it is the dal ki fasal hoti hai, dal wali fasal. Okay, so this helped in the replenishment of the soil with nitrogen. Farmers are being encouraged to adopt this practice. In previous classes, you have learned about rhizobium bacteria, as I just told you now about it. Rhizobium bacteria, these are present in the nodules of roots and leguminous plants. They fix atmospheric nitrogen. Wait, I will just move forward. Atmospheric nitrogen. Wait. Basically, here is a misprint. This here is a full stop. It should be they fix atmospheric nitrogen into, not basically printing mistake or something like that. They have not given the names. I'm going to tell you. Atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates and nitrites. Okay, just remember this, nitrates and nitrites. Okay, this is important. So as I told you, we are going to read the difference between fertilizers and manure. Fertilizer is a man-made inorganic salt, as I told you. Manure is a natural substance obtained by the decomposition of cattle and plant residues. Fertilizers is prepared in factories. Manure can be prepared in fields. Fertilizers does not provide any humus to the soil, and manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. Fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. This is called NPK, right? Manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrients. Guys, I told you that there are two important questions and they are over here. So, advantages of manure and fertilizers. As I told you, this is an important question. So, the organic manure is considered better than fertilizers. This is because it enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. It makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of gases becomes easy. It increases the number of friendly microbes. It improves the texture. At least you can learn 3. And in the difference also, you should at least learn 3 of them. Either it is first 3, like the definition should be there, and 2, 3, 4, you can choose any 2. Most probably you should learn, like you should learn all 4, but if you don't want to learn all 4, you can learn 3 also. Okay, so we have irrigation, traditional methods and modern methods. Then we have protection from weeds, harvesting and storage. So guys, today we are going to complete irrigation till this traditional method, and till over here I will just tell you till where it is traditional method. Yeah, till here we are going to complete day. Okay, and in our next video I should tell you. So in our next video we are going to read this protection from weeds and the modern method. In our next video we are going to read this here. And I should not tell you all this, that from where to where, but I want that you should all know about it. And in our next video we will start from harvesting, then storage, and then our chapter is complete. Then we have one more topic, which is animal husbandry. Then our topic is complete. Then we are going to start with exercise and question answers. So now, without wasting any time, we shall start with irrigation. All living beings need water to live. Exactly. Water is important for both growth and development. Water absorbed by roots along with water minerals and fertilizers are also absorbed. Plants contain nearly 90%. So like guys, 90% of it is water. So 10% is only the other things. 10% is only the other things. Okay. So 10% is only the other things. So 90% is water, 10% only nutrients and other stuff, right? Water is essential because germination of seeds does not take place under dry conditions, right? Germination takes place only in the wet conditions, not in the dry conditions. Nutrients is dissolved in in water are transported to each part of the plant. Water, water also protects the crop from both frost and hot air currents. To maintain the moisture of the soil for healthy crop growth, fields have to be watered regularly. Watered means sprinkle, like sprinkle the water is called watered. So like guys, this definition is also important. What is called irrigation. The supply of water to the crop at regular intervals is called irrigation. It's a simple definition. Simple. Literally guys, it's simple. And if you make mistake in this question, then I don't know why you know, why are you making mistakes? You should know it. Okay? So the time and frequency of irrigation varies from crop to crop, soil to soil, and season to season. In summer, the frequency of watering is higher. Exactly. That so that you know why. What is the reason for it? That the water evaporates. We have learned this, that water evaporates, condensation happens, and precipitation. Similarly, like evaporation happens, so from the seeds also, from the fields also, it must happen, right? So why is it so? I told you the reason right now, right? Could it be due to the increased rate of evaporation? Exactly. From the soil and leaves? Yes, it's correct. Sources of irrigation, like in the example, you have to write all this. What are the sources? For example, wells, dams, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, canals, etc, etc, etc. Like guys, please literally don't write swimming pools in the sources of irrigation, because swimming pool is filled by the lake, pond, lakes, lakes, ponds, or wells, or tube wells, etc. Okay, please don't write swimming pools, because I've seen many children writing swimming pools. Traditional method of irrigation. The water available in wells, lakes, and canals is lifted up by different methods in different regions for taking the fields to the field. Cattle or human labor is used in these methods. So these methods are cheaper but less efficient. Obviously, these are cheaper, but it requires human labor also, right? It requires our hard work also. So the various traditional tools are moat, chain pump, rahat irrigation, dekli system, dekli and rahat, which is the lever system. Pumps are commonly used for lifting. Sorry, sorry. Pumps are commonly used for lifting water. Okay, so basically pumps are used for lifting water. That means, round, 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 round. For example, I can just tell you over here, like this. Yes, the bucket fills, goes bhram. Bhram in the sense of water goes over here. Like, I know it is not given, but fine. Maybe it has gone somewhere else. So, okay. So diesel, biogas, electricity, and solar energy is used to run these pumps. So guys, the homework of the homework questions, I'm just going to write over here at the last page. Okay, just wait for a sec. It's not given over here. The gap, the space is not available. Yeah, so wait for a second, guys. Just wait. I'm just going to, make something. Wait for a second. Just wait for a second. Yes, wait, please, guys. Please, just for a second. How can I? Just I have to write it over here. I don't have any other option. So I will just text it, okay? Guys, in next class, I will make sure that I have other sources. Okay? So homework. First question, wait. First question, uh, how to different, wait, how to choose, you can understand it better in easy words or easy language, how to choose good seeds from damaged damaged seeds. Okay, this is one question. And the second question is, what was that? Which was, wait, I will just tell you. I don't remember the activity number. It was 1.5 or what? 1.2 question. One, wait, 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 wait. 1.2, 1.2 page number I shall write. Page number 6, yes. 1.2, page number 6. Okay, so I shall move up. Guys, this is an, wait, this is an activity. Okay, activity questions. Guys, please note this down. The homework and the top 5 winners will come on a screen of my YouTube channel, and 5 will be random. Most probably I will choose those children only who are in, no, who are the in top 10 basically, almost. That's, I'm not sure, right? So written, yes, okay, I shall see. If you have not written, then pause the video and write it again. Okay, so hope you all like my videos. And guys, if you have any query, I'm telling you again and again in all my videos that if you have any queries regarding this chapter or any other chapter, just ask me in the comment section. Okay, just ask me in the comment section, I will reply to you. Okay, and if you like my video, please like, share it with your friends who need help, and subscribe to my channel, and also ring the bell so that it becomes easy for you, so that you get notified every time when I upload my new video. Okay guys, bye guys, hope you liked my video. Thank you.